Hey guys, this is going to be a much shorter video than I normally make. I'm just stealing some clips from what are going to be a lot longer videos, but I think this is a very common problem with Suzuki Samurais because of the two that I've worked on, they both had the exact same problem. So if you're finding that your Samurai, when you go to start it, not every time, maybe every time, but maybe only sometimes, you just get a click from the starter, or maybe multiple clicks, or maybe nothing at all, but you've already verified, you've checked your battery and you know your battery's good, then I think this video could really help you out. Okay, here we go. Well, so when I try using the wire that came with the vehicle, which is that guy right there, how it was wired when I got here was it was feeding the coil of this relay, and then they had thick power, coming from the battery, going through the relay to it, and it would crank, but it won't crank with that wire. And I'm trying to remember back, you know what I think, because I had an issue with mine forever. I had constant problems, and I think what finally took care of it on mine was the damn ignition switch. I'm almost positive the ignition switch on this is probably up in here. It's probably corroded. And this could happen to just about every Samurai out there, so this would be a good trick if this fixes it. If you ever go to start and it's just clicking but your battery's good, it's probably a corroded ignition switch. I'll see if I can fix it and then we'll know. Okay, that exposes this clampy deal. On mine, I was missing the top one, so it made it a little easier. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get this damn thing off. Can I see your little channel locks or vice grips? Your tiny little ones? I don't know how I'm going to get these out otherwise if it doesn't work. Oh, cool. It actually works. Thank you. I do not need it. Oh, that's pretty nasty. Okay, come on, baby. Yeah, like I said, mine was missing the top one. And that one's different. It's a different type of screw. Alright, I almost got it by hand. There's just no head on these damn things. Let me show you guys. Once it comes out, I'll show you the two screws. It's so stupid. Okay, here it is. Okay, so here's the one, and here's the other. What the hell is that? And it literally just goes into a threaded, there's no nut on the other side or anything, it threads into that. So, what the hell? Anyway, okay, I think I can unplug the other end of this, I believe. Okay. Jeez. And then I forget what the hell this goes to. Is this the key sense beeper thing that nobody likes? I basically did the same thing in a video on my did so much to my Samurai, there's like nothing I didn't do to it. Alright, got that out. So, I am going to clean this guy up. Inside here, there's some nasty contacts. Alright, got the right screwdriver. So, just that one screw, I think. Alright, so now that comes out. I think that's just turns. Yeah, so I think everything that's corroded is right inside here. So how do we get this thing to come apart? I can't remember. Okay, all I got is a little drill bit here, but hopefully that's enough to just stick in that hole and pry it out. Yep. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, that is nasty. See that? That's like green grease. Oh! Okay. It's really nasty. Anyway, it just fell in the dirt, but see that green grease is like, it's actually like dried up. It's not even coming off on my finger. And that's just a couple of springs and a contact. I believe that's is that a contact in the middle? No. Anyway, gonna clean all this stuff up, and I bet you that's our problem. I guess we'll find out, huh? Yeah, I got a brush here. Sweet. Okay. I still got carb cleaner from yesterday. Okay, let's see. She's pretty clean. Crap, I don't think I have any dielectric grease with me. Let's see if Lauren's got some. It looks like that ball. Let me... I don't know if you can see that metal ball right inside the plastic right there. I think it, as you turn, that's the detent. Spray some schmutz in that. Gotta clean that guy out. And this could definitely get cleaned. It's pretty nasty. Much better. You guys think that could be enough to prevent that from kicking over the solenoid, like the problem that we're having? I sure hope so. I bet that happens to a lot of Samurais, because this is the second Samurai I've ever worked on, and 2 out of 2 are corroded. Maybe I'll just work on Samurais the rest of my life. They're pretty easy to work on. Let me go see if I can find some dielectric grease. Oh, we didn't have any dielectric grease per se, but he had Vaseline. Shocker! Just kidding. And we looked it up. I knew it. Google says it's dielectric, so I'm gonna go ahead and believe Google, and we'll have to see if it works. I'm sure it will. Cover all this crap with it. Okie doke. This one go in there like that. Can I push this? This goes over here, but I gotta have the key. Damn. Okay, right there like that. Stupid. Okay. Now let's see how it feels. Oh, I guess I'll throw it back in there and we'll see, huh? Okay. Alright. I think maybe I will plug these in first and see if it wants to start. Find the plug. Here it is. Maybe I should, too late. Alright. I put grease on it, I forgot. Stuck my finger in it. Okay. Let's see, I'll push in the clutch. I'm not even sure if I have everything hooked up out there, but let me check real quick. Alright, I hooked it back up. Here goes nothing. Let's see if all of our problems were caused by a dirty ignition switch. Ready? Please crank. Please crank. 3, 2, 1. Oh, hell yeah. Oh yeah, she's even running. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay guys, that's what it was. We still gotta change the carburetor and stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down. Awesome! That is so cool. That's what the problem is. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, I'm gonna put this back together then. Would have made a whole lot more sense to actually put like regular bolts back in here, but I'm not at my house. I'm not gonna go to the store just for that, so I used vice grips to tighten both of them. And then a little trick for getting this cover back on, you got a lot of holes there, and there's two different types. You got this style, and you got then the machine threaded ones. The machine threaded ones are the ones that go into metal, so that would be this guy. It would be this one, and this one. It's that little triangle pattern right there. All the rest go into plastic. So those will be these guys. Okay, cool.